Let's see. Now, what are we doing? Where are we doing it? Alright. Now, the only part about the meal prep that is going to be done every single day is this. So, what we're going to have to happen is we're going to have to make this every night, okay, before we go to bed. You could make 2, 3, maybe 4 of these, but after a few days, it's just not going to be as fresh. So this is our overnight oats. This is one of my favorite recipes. I look forward to this part of the day every day. It's like a dessert, all right? It's great. It says the French toast, so like maybe I have a problem. All right. So here's what we're going down with, all right? And check this out. Check this out. We're gonna go to the cookbook. Okay, yeah, right? To the cookbook, okay? Just to be sure I don't mess up my own recipe, get canceled. Alright, so here's what we got. We have rolled oats, protein powder, almond milk, blueberries, and Greek yogurt. Alright, how much of all of those? Let's find out. Okay, so start off. 40 grams of old-fashioned oats. Steel cut works great. Don't use instant. It will become pudding, which is probably not bad, but I like texture.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
40 grams of rolled oats. Old-fashioned is what I'm going for. Yeah. 40. You can't even see it, so it's not even that impressive, but it says 40. All right. Ingredient completed. Now, next up, we're going to go with the almond milk. Okay, how much almond milk? 1 cup. America style. That's in freedom units. Okay. The unopenable. Boom! Now, one thing. Tons of almond milks. For me, again, keeping this recipe a little bit lower in calorie, I go with the unsweetened, and I'm going with the vanilla. Adds a little bit of flavor to it. Just a little bit. Not a lot. Just enough. Alright? Don't follow me. Okay. I snuck past it. Calm down. Calm down. Alright. 1 cup. See? Watch. Boom. Look at this. This is how you pour a cup. Nah, shit. Should have done it over here. If I get milk on my black stuff. If I get milk on my butcher block, it'll modify the course of the day. That's for sure. 1 cup almond milk. Chuck that. Now, Greek yogurt, because the Roman yogurt was conquered. All right. So this is fat-free, right? Obviously, Greek. So 100 calories a serving, 18 grams protein. We like protein. This is a protein-heavy day. 100 grammarinos. This thing following me everywhere. It's freaking me out. All right, now what we're gonna do on this though? We're gonna do a little swap-a-roo. Okay? Tear off the yogurt, because once it's in here, it's harder to get out of there without getting everything dirty. 100. What we're looking for. Boom. Boom. Alright, here we go, here we go. Nope, too much. Nope, too much. Nope. It's very important to it can't be a gram over or under, or the recipe won't work. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go with 102. Now, one thing's nice about this, when you're doing that, sometimes you end up losing grammage on the spoon. We're gonna mix with our spoon. Yeah, we don't lose nothing, ladies and gentlemen. All right, 31 grammarinos of your protein powder. It's too much. That's pretty close. Pretty close. Looks good. That's 29. We're going in. Nope, too much. Too much. Put it back. Put it back. Don't leave me like that. Close enough. 30.7. That's 31 if I ever saw it. Now, time for the fun part, okay? Got a bunch of stuff in here, all right? We are going to, with the caution of 1,000 ducks crossing the road, mix it in. So the thing you want to keep in mind is like, in the beginning. Be very careful. You try to mix too fast, your protein powder is just going to glop up, and then you got gains on the floor. You don't want that. You don't want that. No one wants that. Okay. Okay. Now, we do want to mix this pretty good. So, with the French toast, a little bit of a pocket of dry protein powder isn't going to matter at all. It hits that flat top, the griddle. It's going to cook out. It's not going to be a problem. With this, you really don't want the protein balls, as it were. Okay, now you can see we already got a little bit of a thickness. It's still runny, but it is going to be pretty watery. Little thickness, but watery. Okay, that's not wrong. All right, this is an overnight oat. Very important. This is also the reason we're not using quick oats. We can use steel cut or old fashioned. It is going to thicken overnight. All right, last thing we're going to do, we're going to add some fresh blueberries to this. And by fresh, I mean frozen. And by frozen, I mean frozen. Okay, now, watch this. Then, tear. Use a food scale. Okay, do it. Stop looking. It'll be pretty cool to use a food scale. Okay, losing weight? Use a food scale. Gaining protein? Use a food scale. Okay, food scale. This video brought to you by Food Scale Co. I don't think that exists, but if it does, don't support them. Alright, what am I doing? 8 grams of blueberries. Here we go. Alright, last but not least, this is completely optional. This is ready to go. Tomorrow, by the time you get home from work, you're ready to eat. That's ready to be eaten. Now, as an option, top it with a little high protein granola. So this is just like a Kodiak protein granola. Not bad. Could be butter. I mean, they all work. If you don't have the calories or macros to do this, don't do this. 270 calories, about 17 grams of protein. Let's check that. 17 grams of protein. If you got it, do it. It's good. But add this when you eat it. Don't put it in now. You don't put it in now. All right. So put the lid on. Okay. Place her in the cooling compartment of the steel box that you keep in your house. Don't show my fridge door. I don't want people to see my beautiful children's art. It's not for the world, it's just for me and my wife. Good enough, here we go. Look at that, that goes in the freezer. And my chicken nuggets, which is what I eat when I'm not doing this.
Chicken nuggets is like my family.
So, alright, that's pretty good, pretty close, pretty good. I think we got everything we need. That is the oatmeal. And then we will do a full calorie breakdown and all that fun stuff later.